Hello everyone, welcome to how to start your speech trick number 7, which is start with the outline of the speech. If your speech is much longer than 20 minutes, then giving the outline of the speech becomes a mandatory. Okay, the most common technique to put down the outline of your speech is to follow this simple trick of what, why and how. Okay, let's start with what. What of the speech? Number 1, what are you going to cover? List down the topic, the subtopics. Number 2 is why. Why this topic is important? The people should know that if they are spending time with you, why are they sitting here, right? For example, if I'm talking about public speaking, before even I am going to start the speech, the audience should realize and understand the importance of public speaking. They should know that public speaking is a life skill. Even if you have a lot of competencies, skills, knowledge, certificates, it has no value until you are able to put across or communicate your skill to the people around you. So why is most important? And always remember, always start with the bottom line of the presentation. Okay. Now, number 3 is how. How the audience is going to learn about this topic. I can give them some impromptu speaking activities or maybe some experience sharing activities, some breakthrough sharing, some feedback activities or a role play. So how are you going to train the people? How will they learn this? What, why and how should be included in the outline of your speech. So stay tuned for the video number 8 of how to start your speech.